Students, Sai Ram. Let us continue with the same chapter, chapter number 11, perimeter and area. And today we will understand to find out area of a triangle. We'll learn how to find out area of a triangle, and then exercise 11.2, we will do question number 2, A and B, question number 3, C, D, and question number 4, A, B and C. So let us start. First is area of a triangle. For example, a gardener wants to know the cost of covering the whole triangular garden with grass. You can see here, this is a triangular garden and gardener wanted to cover this full area with grass. So, to cover this with grass, what he need to find out? He need to find out the area of this triangular area. See here, in this case we need to know the area of the triangular region. So this area has to be find out. Let us find out a method to get the area of a triangle. So we'll find out a method by which we can find out the area of this region. So for that, what you will do? Draw a scalene triangle. Now you know what is a scalene triangle, whose all the sides are different, as well as all the angles are different. So you will have to draw a scalene triangle on a piece of paper. Cut out the triangle, place this triangle on another piece of paper and cut out another triangle of the same size. So now you have how many scalene triangles? You will have two scalene triangles of the same size. Are both the triangles congruent? You can see here, these are the two triangles. Are they congruent? If you want to check their congruency, what you will do? You are going to superimpose one triangle on the other so that they match. If they match, that means they are congruent. So here you have to take two congruent scalene triangles. And then what you will do? Now place both the triangles such that their corresponding sides are joined. You can see here they are joined. As shown in this figure, you can see here their corresponding sides are joined. You will see here this is forming a diagonal. Now you can see a new figure is formed. Is the figure thus formed a parallelogram? Can we call this figure a parallelogram? Now let us compare the area of each triangle to the area of the parallelogram. In the last session we have learned area parallelogram, which is base into height. Now we are going to compare the area of each. You can see here there are two triangles. So area of each triangle we are going to compare with the area of the parallelogram. Now here you can see a parallelogram is formed and the sum of the area of these two triangles is equal to the area of this whole parallelogram. So that we are going to write now. You will find the sum of the areas of both the triangles equal to the area of the parallelogram. The base and height of the triangle are the same as the base and height of the parallelogram. So it is same. The base and height of the triangle are the same as the base and height of the parallelogram. Now area of each triangle will be, you can see here, area of each triangle will be half of the area of parallelogram. Because there are two triangles. When two triangles, scalene triangles are joined, we got a parallelogram. So area of each triangle will be half of area of a parallelogram, which is equal to, and we know area parallelogram is base into height. So we will write is equal to half base multiplied by height. Or we can write is equal to half b into h. Or in short form we can write half bh. You can see here area of this triangle is half base. B is the base and h is the height. So this way we have got the area of a triangle. Now based on this formula we are going to solve some questions of exercise 11.2. This is question number 2. Last time we have done question number 1 and question number 3. This is question number 2, which is based on area of triangle. So the question is find the area of each of the following triangles. This is first one and this is second one, A and B. So let us see how to solve it. Just now we have learned the formula of area of triangle, which is half base into height. So now we are going to substitute the value. Now base we know here in this figure, you can see this is the base. BC is the base and its length is 4 centimeter. And height is how much? Height is 3 centimeters. So we'll write first what is given in the question. So children, in your notebook also you will write the question and you will draw the figure also. And then what you will write? You will write what is given in the question. So base is 4 centimeter and height, this is the height which is 3 centimeter. And then what you have to do? You have to write the formula for area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. And then what you will do? You will substitute the value. Half into, in place of base, what we will write? Here this is the formula written. So directly here 4 into 3. Base is 4 and height is 3. And then you know how to reduce. Now you will reduce this to, you will get here 3 2s are 6. So 6 centimeter square. Now next question, base is given as, now this will be base. You can see here this is right angle. You can see here it is perpendicular. So this will become the height. So here 3.2 centimeter is the height and this is the base which measure 5 centimeter, whose length is 5 centimeter. So first what is given we'll write, and then we'll write area is equal to half, base is 5 and height is 3.2. So we'll substitute the value and then we will reduce it. On reducing, on solving, you will get 8 centimeter square. Now question number 3 is very important. You have to find the missing values. Exercise 11.2, that's why I have given the star mark here. It is very important. And then here these are the two questions. Last time this question was given as homework. So again I'll solve it. You can check whether you have done it correctly or not. I hope you all have done your homework. So you please verify, you check it whether you get this answer or not. So we'll do C and D today. First we will, here you have to see what is given. Here what is given? Base is given, base is not given, height is given and area of parallelogram is given. So what we will do? We'll write down the formula for area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is base into height. And now what is given here? We know area is 48.72, which is equal to, now base we don't know, so here we'll write base B multiplied by height. We know height is 8.4. Now what we'll do? We'll bring this to this side. So here it is multiplied. So when you bring it to this side, it will be divided. 48.72 upon 8.4 is equal to breadth. Now what you can do? B is equal to, we can write in this way also, 48.72. This if we write separately, this is in the denominator. So we'll write into 1 upon 8.4. Now what we'll do? We are going to convert this into fraction. This also into fraction. Now here you can see it is given 1 upon 8.4. So this, when you convert it into fraction, it will become 4872 upon 100. And 8.4, if you convert it into fraction, it will be 84 upon 10. But here this is given as 1 upon 8.4. So we will write 10 here and 84 down in the denominator place. So let us see how to solve. Next step. Children, you see that is written here 4872 and it is reduced. 110, when you reduce, you will get 10 in the denominator. So 4872 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 84. Because here what happened? It has reduced and you got, we have 1. And now you know how to do it. This we will bring it to this side. Then it will be easier for you to reduce 4872 upon 84. And this 10 will take it to this side into 1 upon 10. And then what you'll do? You can see here both the numbers are divisible by 2. So on reducing by 2, you will get in the numerator 1281 upon 21 into 1 upon 10. Now here these two numbers you can see it is divisible by 3. 3 7s are 21. Now this one when you reduce you will get 406 into 1 upon 10. Now again you will see these two numbers are divisible by 7. So you will reduce it. On reducing you will get 58 into 1 upon 10. And 58 into 1 will be 58 upon 10. So you will convert it into decimal. So decimal point will come here. So answer will be 5.8 centimeter. So this kind of questions you all practice because these are very important. Now next question, D part will do. Base is equal to 15.6 centimeter. And height we don't know, we have to find out height, and area is equal to 16.38 centimeter. This is the figure, it is drawn here. Base is taken as 15.6. Height we have to find out. So H is written and area is given in the question 16 point. The whole area of this is 16.38 square centimeter. Now let us see how to find out the area of the parallelogram. We'll write area of parallelogram is equal to B into H. Now area is given. In place of area you can see a 16.38 is written, which is equal to 15.6 multiplied by H. Now this will take it to the other side. The way we have done the previous question, same method children. So you'll do in that way. 16.38 will write here in the numerator and this will come in the denominator. So H is equal to 16.38 upon 15.6. And then what you will do, you will separate this like this. You will write one step. 16.38 here you can write 50, here you can see 15.6 in the denominator. So we can write this as 1 upon 15.6 also, because anything multiplied by 1 is the same number. So 16.38 into 1 upon 15.6. And then as I told you, you have to convert this into fraction form. And here 1 is there, so 15, if you, this one first will convert into fraction, it will become 1638 upon 100. So here in the denominator you will get 100. And here 15.6 is in the denominator and 1 is in the numerator. So when you convert this into fraction, it will become 156 upon 10. But as 1 is there, we will write 10 here and 156 down. And then we are going to reduce 100 and 10. So 10 and 100 when you reduce, here in denominator you will get 10. So let us see the next step. See, you will get this step 1638 upon 100 into 10 upon 156. You can see here it's written in reciprocal form. Okay, and then we are going to reduce it. So 10 tens are 100. So you will get 1638 upon 10 into 1 upon 156. Now this below this one we are going to bring 10 here, and this we will just exchange their place. We will write this on this side so that it will be easier for us to reduce. So 1638 upon 156, and this we will take it to this side, so it will be multiplied by 1 upon 10. And then you can reduce this by 2. So when you reduce it, you will get 819 upon 78 into 1 upon 10. And then again you will see by which number we can reduce. It is divisible by, you have to, you know all the test of divisibility. So you will reduce it. On reducing, what you will get? You will get 273 upon 26. And then what you will do? Into 1. This you will write as it is. Again we are going to reduce this. On reducing, in the numerator you will get 21 upon 2 into 1 upon 10. And then what you will do? This you can bring it in decimal form. You can divide 21 by 2. So when you divide it by 2, you will get 10.5 into 1 upon 10. And then as 10 is in the denominator, so what will happen? Point will shift to the left by one more place here. So you will get from here, it will go here. It will come here. So answer will be 1.05 centimeter. So this will be the height of the parallelogram. Children, practice again this question and see whether you get this answer or not. Now 11.2, this is also very important question. I have given star here. Question number 4, find the missing values. So these are the two questions here, 15 centimeter. And here that means this is the base given as 15 centimeter. Height we have to find out. And area of the triangle is given, which is 87 centimeter square. And second one here, base is not given. That means we have to find out base. Height is given and area is also given. So let us find out. Now first you will write area of the triangle, which we know just now we have done that. Half into base into height. Now what you will do, we know area, you can see here area of the triangle is given. So in place of area of the triangle, what you are going to write? 87, which is equal to half multiplied by base is how much? Base is 15. So base we will write as 15. Height we don't know. So into h. And then you know how to solve it. Now this we will cross multiply. You know what you will do? This will be multiplied by 87. So 2 will be multiplied by 87. So you will get in the numerator place 87 into 2. And this 15 will come in the denominator. So h is equal to 87 into 2 upon 15. And then this 2 you multiply 174 upon 15. And when you divide it, you will get 11.6 centimeter as the answer. This will be the height of the triangle. Now next question is also based on area of the triangle. Area of the triangle will write half into base into height. Now which is very important, you have to see what is given and what we have to find out. Now here base is not given. So in place of base we will write B. And here area is given 1256 is equal to, you can see here all the values are substituted. And then you have to solve it. You will solve it, you will take this to this side, it will be multiplied 1256 into 2 and this you will bring it to the denominator. And then you will reduce it. You know how to reduce. On reducing, you should get 40 here. 40 into 2 will be 80 millimeter. You can see here the unit is given as millimeter square. So breadth will be in millimeter. Units are very important. Now children, third question. Here what is given? Base of the same. Question number 4 only, 11.2. Third part we are doing now. Third question. Base is 22 centimeter. Height we have to find out and area is given as 170.5 centimeter square. So we'll use the same formula. We'll substitute the value. In place of area, we will write this value and this is equal to half into base is 22 into h. And then what you will do? This will be multiplied by this number. So you will get 170.5 into 2. This will bring it to the denominator and then we'll reduce 2 11s are 22. And then when you'll reduce this, you can see you will divide it. On dividing, you will get 15.5 centimeter. So the required height will be 15.5 centimeter. Now children, this is your homework for today, 11.2. Question number 2, we have learned to find out the area of triangle. So using that formula, half base into height, you are going to find out the area of these two triangles. This is C part and D part of question number 2. That's all for today. Thank you.